guys, it's Sam from Scrubs, and today we've got this brand new 2025 BMW X5 in Frozen Grey. It's going to be getting the full works. We're doing matte PPF on the matte paint. The gloss areas we'll be putting gloss PPF. We're even going to do some interior PPF, so let's get right into it and wash this car. We've already smashed out the pre-wash and disassembly on this X5, so if you want to see that process in more detail, check out our Gloss X5 video. You'll find the link up in the top right corner. Now, with all that sorted, we're diving straight into wrapping the rear passenger doors. As always, we've removed the handles and other trim pieces before any film touches the car. This not only simplifies the install, but it also gives a cleaner look overall, reducing joins across the vehicle and helps the wrap look like it came factory fitted. Another benefit of removing the handles is that we completely cover the door cups. This part of the car cops a lot of abuse like keys, fingernails, rings, and they all leave marks over time. But with PPF, it's protected. And thanks to its self-healing properties, it still looks just as good in 6+ years as it does on day one. BMW X5 door cups are a lot deeper than most standard cars, which is why a lot of shops either like to do this in 2 pieces or skip it completely to save time. That's not how we roll at Scrubs. We took the time to stretch the film in one go and ended up with a flawless result. As we move around to the front fender, let's talk about one of the downsides to OEM matte paint. Matte paint is a nightmare to maintain. It marks easily, and once it's scratched, you're out of luck. A respray is the only fix, and even then, it's almost impossible to replicate that perfect factory look. That's where matte PPF comes in. It keeps that slick OEM finish while giving you peace of mind that your paint is going to be protected. And if any panel ever gets damaged, you can simply replace the film, no respray needed. For parts like this front fender where we can't remove the trim, we'll always start the wrap in that area. It lets us anchor the film cleanly around the trim and gives us the best shot at a seamless finish around those tight edges. Next up, the bonnet. It's big, it's curved, and those deep contour lines can be a real challenge if you don't know what you're doing. We use the 4-corner stretch method, which allows us to cover the entire panel with minimal to zero distortion. Now, because of the style of the clips under the BMW badge, we found it more efficient to leave the badge on and cut it out after wrapping. You'll see at the end, it still gives a seamless, clean edge and saves time on reassembly. One step that often gets overlooked is the final heat seal. After trimming off the excess film, we go over every single edge with either a heat gun or a steamer. This step ensures that all film is properly sealed to the paint and helps stop any edges from lifting over time. It's a slow and careful process, but when it's done right, it locks everything in and helps your wrap hold strong for the full 10-year warranty. Alright guys, this car is all done now. It looks awesome. We've done all the PPF, everything's tidy on it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to get PPF on your car, head over to scrubscardetailing.com and we'll see you there.